What's up, everyone? I'm back. As you see, I decided to buy a camber kit for the GS Truheart suspension components. As you see, these are the fronts and these are the rears, and that one I already installed in the car. This is also for the rears, so I'm gonna take you with me. Let's see. There she is, all jacked up in the stands. I'm gonna take you to the back. All right, here we go. So you can see, this is the lower, one of the one of the lowers, and here's the another lower. So there's two. I might get the lower control arm, this one right here. I might just to see how much camber I get. So let's see. It was pretty hard. You can see this has a bushing. It wouldn't come out, so we had to hammer it pretty hard, and the bushing got stuck. So the only way to take out the bushing on the actual strut is to heat up the control arm. Heat that shit up really hard. It has to be glowing red. So yeah, but let's see. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna show you the other side. There's the other side. Look pretty nice. And I'm gonna be installing the upper control arm. I already took it out. Take you under here right now. This is what caused my -5 camber. It was this one. This is the factory one. For some reason, this one was running me -5 camber. I don't know why. So let's see if I could do the same. My goal is to get -2 on the front and -3 on the back. So let's see. Right now, I think this one is -3. You can't really tell. Well, it's jacked up, so it's pretty hard to tell. Both the upper control arm and upper toe arm are installed. As you can see, the camber. Here is the upper control arm for the front of the car. It fit in pretty well. I can't complain. It looks pretty good. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I just finished the camber kit from a Truheart. Looks pretty good. So I put Truheart upper control arms. Well, they were pretty hard. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. It was easy. This one was especially hard. But other than that, the fitment is on point. I might run -7 when I have that tire money. But overall, it looks pretty good. The only, well, in my case, in my issue, as you can tell, this tire sticks out compared to this tire. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna have a shop roll the fenders right here, and I'm gonna add probably a 10 mil spacer and probably a 10 mil as well, or maybe smaller. I just want to let everyone know, if you do end up getting a GS, and it's hard for you to find aftermarket parts, just want to let you know that the suspension that I bought is for an IS 250, 350, and the upper control arms and the upper camber arms are also from an IS, and the starters from an IS. The power steering is from an IS. The headers are from an IS. I think the exhaust is as well. The Rev 9 exhaust is from an IS. So there's a lot of potential with these cars. The only thing that won't fit is the body kit, the Black Pearl kit. That is specifically for this car. And up NEGS 3rd gen. I'm also getting new rims. I'm decided to get 3-piece wheels. I just need to save up because I found some good ones for pretty cheap. Might fix them up as well because I want to go lower. Right now I'm maxed. I'm not maxed. I just need 18s. These are 19s by 9.5, and that is 19s by 10. So it is staggered. And I believe from the exhaust to the floor, I think 2.5 inches off.